Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong araw na ito ay tungkol po sa advisory ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Best Option Financial Consultancy Services o Best Option 2024 o Best Option Trading o Best Option na pinamumunuan ng isang nagngangalang Jelly Ann Billion Malinaw. This is to inform the public that Best Option Financial Consultancy Services and or Best Option 2024 and or Best Option Trading collectively referred to as Best Option and or Jelly Ann Villion Malinaw is not authorized to solicit investments from the public. This advisory is prompted by the information gathered by the Securities and Exchange Commission that Best Option Financial Consultancy Services or Best Option 2024 and Best Option Trading and or Jelly Ann Villion Malinaw is soliciting investments from the public using the following promotional materials. Based on the inquiry conducted, Best Option Financial Consultancy Services or Best Option 2024 or Best Option Trading through its CEO, Jelly Ann Villion Malinaw are offering unregistered securities to the public in the form of investment contract by enticing the public to invest online through a website, social media, or the internet. Tapos nag-o-offer sila ng mga programs. Ang mga programs nga na ino-offer nila ay yung Pro Plan, Normal Plan, Premium Plan, at ito yung mga schemes nila. Yung Normal Plan nila, yan yung pinaka mababa. From 500 pesos hanggang 5,000 pesos daw ang investment at ang period ay 7 days at ang pangakong kitaan daw ay 30% o 650 pesos hanggang 6,500 pesos. Ang kasunod ay yung premium plan from 500 pesos to 50,000 pesos na investment. 15 days daw ang period at ang pangakong kitaan ay 80% or 900 pesos hanggang 90,000 pesos. At ang pinakamataas ay yung Pro Plan na 5,000 pesos hanggang 50,000 pesos daw yung investment at period daw ay 30 days at guaranteed profit daw ay 200% or 15,000 hanggang 150,000 pesos. Diyan pa lang po mga kababayan, makikita po ninyo na Ponzi scheme dahil ang pangakong kitaan nila ay umaabot hanggang triple your money sa loob lamang ng isang buwan. SEC database reveals that Best Option Financial Consultancy Services, Best Option 2024, and Best Option Trading are not registered either as a corporation, one-person corporation, or as a partnership. It is, however, found that Best Option Financial Consultancy Services is registered with the business name registration system of the Department of Trade and Industry showing Jelly Ann Villion Malinaw as its proprietor. The absence of primary registration of Best Option Financial Consultancy Services, Best Option 2024, and Best Option Trading with this commission either as a corporation, one-person corporation, or as a partnership follows that it cannot be issued secondary license to solicit, offer, and sell investment to the public as required under Section 8 of the SRC. Hence, the offering of the subject entity of unregistered securities to the public constitute violation of Sections 8, 26, and 28 of the SRC. The same likewise constitutes violation of Section 11 of the Republic Act number 11765, also known as the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act, as the offering and selling of unregistered securities is defined as investment fraud under Section 3F of the same Act. Mga kababayan, wala pong secondary license ang best option at hindi rin po sila mabibigyan ng secondary license dahil hindi po sila nakarehistro sa SEC. Kaya po mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa best option dahil yan po ay isa na namang Ponzi scheme. At may babala din po ang SEC para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents of best option financial consultancy services and or best option 2024 and or best option trading vis-a-vis Jelly and Villion Malinaw in convincing people to invest in the offered scheme and those involved in solicitations and recruitment through the internet may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC. They can face a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. In view thereof, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by agents of Best Option Financial Consultancy Services and or Best Option 2024 and or Best Option Trading vis-a-vis Jelly and Villion Malinaw, as well as to any other entities having the same or similar schemes, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of Best Option Financial Consultancy Services and or Best Option 2024 and or Best Option Trading vis-a-vis Jelly and Villion Malinaw. At kung meron po kayo impormasyon tungkol po sa investment solicitation activities ng kahit na sinong individual or grupo na individual on behalf of agents of Best Option Financial Consultancy Services and or Best Option 2024 and or Best Option Trading vis-a-vis Jelly and Villion Malinaw, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department ng Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong March 26, 2024. Mga kababayan, dapat po maging maingat tayo dahil marami po ang mga nagkalat na mga investment scams. At ang best option po ay isa pong Ponzi scheme. Dapat po maging maingat tayo dahil marami po ang mga Ponzi scams dyan. Lalo na po yung mga nagpapanggap na mga trading companies daw. Pero sa totoo, Ponzi scheme sila at kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila, bigla na lang po yung maglalaho. At nakita nyo po, yung alts trade, wala na po, naglaho na. At yung SOWOW ay wala na ring payout. Kaya dapat mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa mga too good to be true na mga offers. Dahil mari sa umpisa, bigyan kayo ng payout niyan para nga padamahin kayo. Pero kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila, bigla na lang po yung mawawala. Mga kababayan, dapat po umiwas na po kayo dun sa mga investment companies na na-issuehan na po ng advisory ng SEC. Dapat po maging maingat kayo sa pag-i-invest. Dapat mag-imbestiga kayo at i-check po ninyo kung yung pag-i-investan ninyo ay may secondary license. At kapag meron silang pinakitang secondary license, dapat po i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission dahil meron pong mga kumpanya na namimeke ng dokumento. Kaya kailangan maging maingat. At lagi po ninyong tignan ang website ng SEC dahil naglalabas po sila doon ng mga advisories. At pwede nyo rin pong i-check itong YouTube channel natin. Pati na rin po ang YouTube channel ni Shemny Anyol dahil gumagawa din po siya ng review tungkol po sa mga kumakalat na mga companies. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.